Hi, guys. My name is Leah Waldman, and I'm really excited to be starting this course. I guess I'm feeling like very soon we'll be able to put to use everything that we've been learning, and I'm really excited for that for in the fall when our first field placements start. So I'm really happy about that. But so three assets that I would say about myself are that one, I am usually pretty adaptable. And even though I don't know where my placement is going to be yet, I think that I'm hoping for something in gerontology, like a retirement facility, something like that, nursing home. But I don't know yet. So, with that said, I think given that I'm fairly adaptable, I'll be able to kind of get used to whatever situation I'm put in and acclimate to it fairly quickly. And I've been kind of thinking, I know that a lot of nursing home facilities aren't the best, trying to find the best one in the area, but I think that I'll be able to deal with the emotions that go along with being in a situation where maybe the care isn't the greatest. And Anyway, I think that I will be very adaptable to whatever situation I'm put in. The other asset I have is that I've always been very empathetic, and I think that that will come into use, not just with clients that I might be working with, and their families, but also the person who's kind of mentoring me and helping me, because I think I'll have a pretty good understanding of how busy they are, since being in school and working full time and being a single mom. I definitely can empathize with pretty much everything on the plate of the person I'm working with. And hopefully that'll help us to develop like an understanding relationship, and working together will be a lot easier. Um, and then I can't say that this was always the truth, but the older I get, the more of a positive attitude I'm able to keep about just life in general. And I think that at this point in my life, and with what I'm beginning to do professionally, it's going to be very important to maintain a positive attitude. And even when things might look bleak, I'm usually pretty much okay with turning it around to be a positive situation, and be able to go forward and know that everything that I am doing personally and professionally is going to all be great in the end. And when I come across things that definitely don't seem positive, but quite to the contrary, negative and sad and disheartening, that I'm able to still maintain a positive outlook. So it's hard to talk about positive things about yourself, at least for me. So it wasn't the easiest video to make for myself here, but I definitely am confident in those three characteristics about myself, and that's it. So I'm looking forward to seeing everybody else's videos, and looking forward to getting to know everybody in the class, and the ones I've already met. I'm excited to be working with them again too. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.